Gabby. What's going on, everybody? And today, I'm back for another video. And as you guys read by the title, you already know what's about to go down. So today, I'm heading to the forest. And no more long talking. Let me just take you guys on this journey with me. Let's go.
Far, don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? Together counting days until the second call. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn the shit around, just how the top belongs. It's all you need to do. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? Together counting days until the second call. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around just how the top belongs. It's all you need to do. 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 It's all you need to do.
Okay, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And comment down below for a shout out. And don't forget to subscribe and share so you can get a chance to win a giveaway. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I am out.